Alright guys, let us now complete the rest of the question here. So we have the sketch of the cumulative frequency curve. Again, this is to be done on graph sheet. This is just doing a rough sketch. Alright, now this part says, using your graph, determine the median weight. The median weight. Now, to determine the median weight, all we're going to do is, remember 50 is that value, that denotes the top of the curve, and the 50 was generated from the last value of the cumulative frequency column, and the 50 here represents the total number of packages, or the total frequency, but this value here is the last value in the cumulative frequency column. Now, what we're simply going to do is find the middle of 50, which is 25. So 10, 20, 22, 24, 26, so 25 would be the middle of 50. So actually we're using quartile 2 to find the quartile 2 value. So what you're going to do here is simply, you can take a straight edge, right, which is what you should, or use a line on the graph sheet. So what I'm going to do is just indicate what you should do to get the median weight. So the middle value, or the middle of 50 is 25. So you just carry across this point using a ruler, or a straight edge of course, and right across until it touches the curve itself, and then you use a straight edge to vertically carry this line down. So you're not doing it freehand, you're doing it vertically. And this here would represent the median weight. And this is 20. Remember, the scale is different from this one. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this value here is 22. So this would denote the median weight. So the median weight is simply going to be equal to 22, and remember the units, kilograms. So the median weight is actually 22 kilograms. And we got the median mean middle value. So what we did was look at the top value here where the top of the curve is. And remember, if you had gone up to 60, you might have divided 60 by 2, which is why I said stop at the value represents the top of the curve, which is the last value in the cumulative frequency column, which was 50. So we divide 50 by 2 because median is middle. And we got 25, carry that over using a straight edge, right, to the curve, and then a vertical straight edge down to the axis that represents the weight in kilogram, and the median weight would have been 22 kilograms. Now let's take a look at the last part of the question. Now the last part of the question says, using your graph, determine the probability that a package chosen at random weighs at least 25 kilograms. Now that's a different question altogether. So what we need to do is find 25 kilograms on the x-axis, because again the x-axis deals with weight. So what we're going to do here is find 25 kilograms. This axis is with weight in kilograms, so we found 25 kilograms here, and I want the probability. Now probability is given as a fraction. All right, now before we even do that, there are 50 packages in total. So the number that we're looking for is for this numerator position here, because the probability is in fraction form. So what we're going to do is locate 25 again using a straight edge. This time now we're going up this way using a straight edge up to the curve, and of course you have to use a ruler. I'm just doing this for speed, and when that line touches the curve, then you come across horizontally using another straight edge, and it carries straight across there. All right, and you can see that this value is just 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So 30, 32, 34. So this 34 here is very important because it says, using your graph, determine the probability that a package chosen at random weighs at least 25 kilograms. So what they want to know is how many packages weigh 25 kilograms or more. Because it says, determine the probability that a package chosen at random weighs at least 25 kilograms. So all of the packages down here, right? All of the packages down here would weigh 25 kilograms or less. So if you look here, if I were to carry a line from 0 right across to the curve, all of them would fall below 25. None of them would pass 25 apart from this 34 line here. So all the packages down here would weigh 25 kilograms or less. The packages up here from 34 to 50, which gives us 16, right? All of these packages up here would weigh 25 kilograms or more, all right? So you find the difference between 50 and 34, that is 16. So 16 packages would weigh 25 kilograms or more. So it says, determine the probability that a package chosen at random weighs at least 25 kilograms. That means it can weigh 25 kilograms or more. So all the packages up here from 34 to 50, so the difference here is 16. So 16 packages out of the 50 weigh 25 kilograms or more. So that probability would be 16 out of 50. If that asks us for to determine the probability of a package chosen at random weighing 25 kilograms or less, then it would be these 34 out of 50 here. But it says at least 25 kilograms. So it means that the packages that weigh 25 kilograms or more, and the difference between the 50 and the 34 is 16. So that will be the answer to that question. All right. So again, I hope you found this video insightful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.